thought it was really fun, and it was nice for all the people on the first day back to have a little excitement.
This is called my signature trick.
I've seen a lot of school assemblies, and Jim Jones, the level of energy is always the same. His ability to engage a crowd, whether they're adults or 5-year-olds, is always amazing. And the message is that he brings, they resonate no matter how old you are. And I think you can't help but listen. You can't help but become involved in the energy that's going on around you. That's the biggest difference.
You forgot something. You didn't imagine it going in. Now go make it. I'm gonna put some Gatorade glass, toss it through the air, land it in your face. 1, 2, 3. Just joking.
I thought it was pretty cool, and it was pretty moving by how we all need to be as one unit and no one's an individual. It was better than any other first day of school, I'd say.
One person in particular stopped, paused, looked me in the face and said, "Thank you." And that person's getting a brand new basketball. You know who you are, see? She's smiling already, see? She's already knows it's her. Oh, she's got her hand in her face. That's a good video. Everybody say, we are one team. One mission. To become our best. Together! Simon says, say your name.
Mr. Babali.
Louder.
Miss.
For an hour of time and, a one-time payment commitment is a pretty short investment in the grand scheme of a school year. So the investment up front, the potential reward, you can't go wrong.